Well, hello there, lovelies. My goodness, has it been a long time? I kind of disappeared for a little bit there. A lot has happened in my life on the personal side of things, and unfortunately, it just meant that everything else kind of had to go on the back burner, so to speak. But I'm back. We are back. We're gonna ease back into the tutorials that are Oh You're Lovely. So I'm super excited about what we have coming on the pipeline. I have a real over-the-top kind of project that I'm going to start working on that I hope you're excited to follow along on the journey. But today, what I wanted to do is we're going to go back into a little bit of time because we didn't get to share the amazing thing that happened back in June now already. Maggie and I had our first in-person Crafty Retreat in North Carolina. It was 4 magical days with, I believe it was 9 lovely ladies. I believe so. Well, there were more of us because Maggie, myself, Maggie's daughter were also there, as well as we had some other small women business owners come and teach classes, things like that. So it was more than 9 lovely women, but we had people from all over the country come and visit us for those 4 days. We did so much crafting. We made beautiful, lovely, wonderful connections, and it was just magical. So Maggie and I are definitely hoping that in the future we can do this again. So this video is just a little bit of the recap of the magic that happened those past 4 days back in June for our first ever Crafty Retreat. So I hope you enjoy it. Leave a comment down below and keep your eyes peeled for the next time that we open this up. We do a pre-order. The next round, we've learned a lot from this first Crafty Retreat as far as different payment plans we can offer, different, like really planning that out far in advance so people can have time to, basically we can get on your calendar before everything else in the world happens. So getting you on the calendar or getting us on the calendar, so to speak, all of that stuff. So it'll be happening again. If you haven't yet, sign up for our newsletters. That's where we always post about these things, as well as on all of the different social media. We try to talk about it as much as possible, and maybe this time around we'll even talk about it right here on YouTube. Typically we kind of keep the YouTube stuff for tutorials, but maybe we'll start doing some business updates as well. We'll see. If you guys like it, we'll do that. If not, we'll continue as the tutorials. We have a couple other fun things on the pipeline, or down the pipeline too, as I mentioned, but you'll find out about those very soon. I won't chit chat much longer. Actually, I'm going to stop right now. So we're gonna jump over to the retreat recap. I hope you enjoy it, and we'll see you next week for a crafty tutorial. I'm Stephanie from Oh You're Lovely. You, my friends, absolutely lovely. Enjoy.